By this point in the crawl space repair course, you should have a good understanding of what a crawl space is and how to inspect it, but you may be asking yourself, what are some common problems in crawl spaces? In this video, we'll be highlighting these issues. Hi, I'm Greg. I'm a project manager with AccuLevel. There are many problems that can occur in your crawl space that can affect the rest of your home. Let's talk about these issues. A few of the things that we see that have the most effect on crawl spaces are sagging floors, mold, and water intrusion. Sagging floors can be caused by a lot of issues. One would be water intrusion, another might be termites, some wood harvesting insects, things like that. Mold can pop up due to water intrusion and a high moisture content in the crawl space. And detecting where water is coming in and how you solve that problem is something that we'll be covering. Thank you for watching. If you're curious and you want to learn more about these topics, continue watching the course where we'll further unpack these issues. Don't forget to like and subscribe.